Hi guys, this video is about the CA final audit face-to-face batch for May 23, November 23 examinations, which is going to be conducted at Guntur. I want to give certain clarifications about how the batch is going to be handled. As you all know, first of all, we are going to start the batch from 2nd January. Now, one question which is asked by some 3 or 4 students is, so why can't you start after the results? Like results are somewhere around 10 to 12 January. Post the results, you can start the batch, right? Yes, I want to, but if at all I start the batch post results, we will have some 10 to 15 days lesser time where the batch completion will go up to March end or even April first week. Getting it? From March end or April first week, I have been occupied with certain other commitments. So moreover, we need to take revision classes as well. So that's why we have fixed the date of January 2nd. Now, sir, I want to join after 10th January, not 2nd January, but after 10th January. So is it fine, or is there any problem with this? Yes, it is absolutely fine. From 2nd January, the batch will start, right? In the initial 5-6 days, I will be mainly focusing on fundamentals topic and another chapter, simple chapter at CA final, that is company audit. So these two topics I'll be focusing on for initial 3, 4 or even 5 days for the matter. And Sunday or Saturday I will not be taking the class. So accordingly, these two chapters will be which is mainly covered within the first 4-5 working days. Getting it? So if you want to join even after 7th or 10th January, it is absolutely fine. But don't join beyond 20th January. Further, we are giving you free backup recordings. So whatever the class I'm taking in physically, that every session we are going to record. All the recording arrangements were also made. So whoever is attending physical batch, for them we are giving at free of cost the backup recordings with 1.2 view. It will have validity of 50 days. So from the date on which you activate, it is 50 days. Suppose you joined on January 2nd itself, you are attending every day. So you attended almost up to March mid, which is batch completion expected target date. Getting it? After that, you want to activate the key, you can activate the key anytime. 1.2 view key you can activate anytime. From the date of activation, it is valid for 50 days. So this is one benefit which we are providing whoever is attending physically. Because one doubt which I have is, for us CA final, Google Drive is exclusive. Everyone is buying only Google Drive. Physical classes has been very less interested at CA final. Hardly 5% students come for physical classes. So if at all you are unable to attend for some days, or you are absent for health reason, whatever, this backup will be helping you a lot. Getting it? What I recommend is March 1st onwards, you activate the backup class. That is what I recommend to the students. Getting it? As much as possible, try to be regular for these sessions. Further, I am going to take this 2023 edition, okay, May 23, number 23 examinations, or even later. I'm going to take this batch very prestigious, and I want every student attending this batch to score 60 plus. And that's why I have been taking this batch for 55 days, 140 hours. You know what I'm going to cover in this? I'm going to cover main lectures. We are having 21 chapters at CA final. As per ICI book, it is only 18 chapters more, but in my material, it is 21 chapters. The chapters were splitted. Then we are only going to solve MCQs within the classroom. We are only going to conduct revision class for you. Revision is in addition to this 140 hours. Revision is not including that 140. Revision classes of 25-30 hours is in addition to this. Whoever is attending face-to-face, for them, revision class is free. You can attend free revision class. If at all we conduct face-to-face in Guntur, you can attend for that as well. Suppose if at all we couldn't conduct for any reason revision class face-to-face, we will give you backup class. Revision class, we will give you backup. Then, so MCQ videos, so revision, and we are only giving you MTP, RTP videos as well. Getting it? Mostly I will be discussing MTP, RTP through a question bank. I will be covering 6 MTP papers, 6 RTP sessions. Getting it? I will be taking within the class itself. After finishing few chapters, related chapters question bank, even past 6 suggested answers. So 6 MTPs, 6 RTPs, 6 question papers. Related question bank, we will discuss in the classroom itself. Getting it? So these are the deliverables that we are promising. Next, further, we are having 21 chapters, right? What is the order in which we take up the chapter? That we will be discussing in the first day of the class. What is the order in which we discuss? It is very simple. Exam point of view, priority order. At the same time, that is very much order for learning also. So we will sync balance between learning approach as well as exam approach. So that's it. So whoever is attending this batch regularly, whoever is listening attentively, believe me, you are going to get 60 plus for sure, provided you follow the simple instructions which I give in the classroom. And what are the timings? From 2nd January it is going to start. Expected completion date 15th March, morning 7 o'clock and come by 10 o'clock, 7 to 10 with 20 minutes break. Getting it? Further, where the premises is, it is in Guntur. You know, we have something 3x1 line in Brodipet, Drona for CA and CMA. Drona for CA and CMA. There is an institute called Drona for CMA and CA and CMA. And the management of this institute is providing absolute support for the premises and all. I'm very thankful to them. So in that premises, we are going to conduct the classes. Now, how to reach? How to reach for registration? You can reach to me directly 9700-273-087. You can text me on this message on WhatsApp or Telegram. Getting it? So for any other further details, you can just reach me on this phone number. And registration process will also be explained when you reach us. That's it. Spot registrations are also available on 2nd January, 3rd January, 4th January. For 3 to 4 days, we will give spot registrations also. Later on, again, phone-based registration. Okay. So have a nice time. As much as possible, try to attend from 2nd January itself. Don't delay, don't postpone. Getting it? You are going to witness auditing in a whole new different level. You are going to witness audit in a much more practical manner. So that is what I can promise you. You can inquire your seniors, you can inquire anybody. Getting it? So they'll tell you how qualitative the auditing classes of mine are. And in this batch, I'm going to focus mainly on of course the concept part and also the application part. We are going to solve 6 MTPs, 6 RTPs, 6 suggested answers. In addition to that, institute book is containing so many practical questions, so that were also being covered. Approximately by the time we finish this entire batch, to best of my knowledge, more than 700 questions we will be solving in addition to the original concepts, man. Getting it? That's it. Okay, so take care, have a nice time.